Hi first graders, welcome to spelling list number 1 with the A sound. We are going to be going through some of the words that you will see on the test this week. Okay, the first one is man. Go ahead and say it. Man. Man. The sounds are man. 3 sounds. Okay, the next word is can. The word is can. Like this person can go up the mountain. Now please notice can is with a C, not a K at the beginning. Let's make those sounds. K, and 3 sounds. Okay, this word is nap. What's the word? Nap. So the cat is napping. Okay, let's make, and they call that a cat nap. They take little naps during the day. Okay, let's make those sounds. Nap. 3 sounds. Okay, this word is tap. Say it with me. Tap. These people are tap dancing. That is something that people do. It's a hobby. Miss Turner actually knows how to tap dance. Let's make those sounds. Tap. 3 sounds. Okay. Next word is hat. Say it with me. Hat. So you'll notice lots of different hats. Okay, make the sounds with me. At. 3 sounds. Next is cat. Say it with me. Cat. Let's make those sounds. At. Now once again notice it's a C, not a K. And I'm not sure why that is, but that's how we spell it. Okay, these are sight words. We will always have a few sight words on our lists. Okay? So this word is not. Say it with me. Not. So you could put like ice cream. The child cannot have ice cream. So not. Oh, and let's make those sounds. Ought. So this one you can sound out. This next one you can't. This word is does. Say the word with me. Does. And if I sound that out, it'd be z. And that's not how we spell does. So you just have to memorize that one. Okay, friends, throughout the week, you will be able to go on Spelling City. So on Tuesday, you'll do Spelling City, and Miss Turner will show you how to get in. Wednesday, I will be doing dictation with you, which is where you listen to me and then write the words on a board. Write the sounds on a board. And then Thursday, you'll be practicing for the test. You'll go on Spelling City again. And then on Friday, you have your first spelling test. Okay, friends, I'll see you later. Bye.